That's Mike from Custom Cruise. Here we are. We just put all the new bearings in, new nuts, ready and beautifully smooth now. Lovely gearbox now. Okay, new needle roller bearing in the end here. So this is new. This is new. New seal to go on here. New seal in here. Okay, we got this one, which obviously is going to go on here. Beautiful Caribbean softail. We're going to change this bearing as well. This seal, I should say, shifter shaft seal, and we'll be ready to go. Just check everything all works before we put them all back together. As you can see, very nice smooth action now. Okay, got the old assembly lube on. So if you're interested in any bits for a softail or bagger or whatever, you know, we do the Baker boxes as well. Coming up to Phil Connors crescendo, which sums it up. Baker, the best box in the world. This one here, my bagger, OD6, best you can buy. So, if you want any gearbox seals, you want any gears, you want any bearings, whatever, or any advice, give us a call, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.